Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change clothes color in Canva. For this, first, we open Canva and log in using your credentials. Here, we will import any image without a background. You can remove the background of the image by clicking on the image, then clicking on the Edit Photo button. Here, you will see a background remover button. If you are not using Canva Pro, you can use this app to remove the background of the image. So, let's go back to Canva. To change the background of that image, click on the image, then click on Edit Photo, and then click on Magic Edit. Here, we can easily adjust the brush size. Let's display the area like that. After that, click on the Continue button, type your command, and then click on Generate. Boom! The color of the shirt has been changed. That's all, the way to change clothes color in Canva. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.